I felt that Janet created a space for me to dive deep in my heart and my soul. Discovering my gift.
I mean, I'm going to tell my son, I've been spending hundreds of thousands of dollars on his education. And, this would be the most beneficial course that they will ever take.
This would be life-changing for children if they could get this information before they went out there into the world.
Hi, I'm Janet Hogan, and I'm coming to you live from the end of the second day of my Fifth Door workshop. And behind me, you'll see a whole bunch of people working on a plan for their fabulous future. But it all began at the beginning, from the first point of yesterday, where we asked ourselves some major questions like, who am I? Why am I here? What's my purpose? What do I really, really want? And how am I going to get it? And over the process of the last 2 days, they've gone from not being clear on what they really wanted and being stuck to where they are now, not only knowing exactly what they want and what their purpose is, but actually starting to create it on paper. I can't tell you how exciting it is to see the transformation in these people. Now, if you're not clear on your future, if you're feeling stuck, then possibly what you need is to come to our next Fifth Door workshop.